In this video, we're going to be discussing blending, a wonderful technique to add a truly artistic look to your coloring book. Today I'll be using the Prismacolor Soft Core colored pencils. These have a luscious, rich, pigmented color that will be great in your coloring book. Remember the color wheel? Those colors that are side by side on the color wheel are called analogous colors, and they're great for blending. You can layer one color over another and transition from one to the next. Start with 3 different values of the same color, light, medium, and dark. Adjust your pressure and layer lightly to blend the colors together for that more natural look. Don't forget to leave some white areas for those highlights. I hope this lesson will help you take these coloring techniques and improve your artistic illustration on your next coloring project.